Assalamualaikum friends, today I'm going to show you my new G-Scan 2 for car scanning. I bought today. Now I'll open and show you. This is my new G-Scan. Let's see what accessories have there. First of all, there is my new G-Scan. Wow, it's very nice, very good. This is a safety cover. Oh, really nice. Start and we'll show you. You can see it's very expensive, but I buy for checking the car's computer. There have a one cable for obd2, also have a one USB for new software. I have one more cable, this cable VSI self-test adapter. This cable only used for VCI self-test mode. Okay, also have a one CD for PC software. You can see there have a one introduction book. This is a warnings, cautions, etc. You can read it after. There is some diagram for how to use it. What button, this button for this, and notifications. Also, this is how to use. You can see here. This is for data storage. This is for OBD. You can see this is for diagnosis. Here you can see diagnosis and everything here. How to diagnose, you can see here. This from here you can diagnose. There have all cars. Now also have a Wi-Fi connection here. Battery, fixed battery. You can see here. Here you can see fix the OBD cable, then connect with car. This here fix the USB for new software or anything, new programs. Also this you can see here a pin for one charging. Here fix the memory card and the data cable, USB cable like this, and also have a one stick. You can see there have a one pencil for using this computer. It's a very nice, pretty much everything. What is also have a 2-year warranty. I think finish everything. Now next I will show you in my next video how to diagnose your car. Hope you will Okay, thank you for watching the video. Goodbye. Let's meet in my next video. Goodbye.